Anytime?
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to Bake Flow. Today we're going to be making white chocolate blueberry oatmeal cookies.
What do you like about the cookie?
I like that there's coconut in them as well as blueberry and white chocolate and oatmeal.
And what do they taste like?
Blueberry, white chocolate, oatmeal, and coconut.
And what's the texture like?
Cookie-like.
Is it sweet?
Yes.
What kind of flavors?
Blueberry, kind of berry tones. Maybe
What?
some white chocolatey tones.
Mm-hmm.
Like oatmeal texture.
Maybe
a little hint of coconut here and there.
What do you like to eat it with?
Milk.
Milk. There you have it, folks. All right, let's cut. We're rolling. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna start off with making these cookies by melting some coconut oil. I have a half cup here that I'm gonna pour into my mixing bowl. Any kind of coconut oil works. I use extra virgin organic. And then we're gonna put in some sugar, brown sugar, 3/4 of a cup. And we're just gonna mix that up for like 30 seconds with a paddle attachment. These cookies are really good because they're really chewy, have a lot of flavor because we're adding coconut and almond extract as well as white chocolate. So these cookies have a lot of flavor and the texture is really good because it's an oatmeal cookie. I really like oatmeal cookie texture. We're gonna throw in 1 egg into our coconut oil and sugar. I'm just gonna mix that up. And then we're gonna put 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're just gonna throw that in there. I actually found this recipe through a friend, and it's actually from Ambitious Kitchen, so shout out. And I changed a little bit of the ingredients to fit my liking. But next thing we're gonna put is our oatmeal. We have about a cup of oatmeal, regular rolled oats. We're gonna throw that in there. And we have 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then we have 1 cup of flour and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. We're gonna put that in there with the oatmeal, oil, egg, and sugar. Just gonna mix that up. Now that that's coming together, our last 2 ingredients is a 1/2 cup of unsweetened shredded coconut and then a 1/2 cup of white chocolate chips. The coconut is optional if you don't love coconut, but I think it brings out a lot of flavor and texture. So I would highly recommend putting it in there. If you're not putting it in there, you can just add a little bit more oatmeal to substitute with that. But we're just gonna mix that all together. And as you can see, the dough is formed and ready to go. So I don't make cookies a lot just because they're kind of high maintenance because you gotta roll them out and stuff, but these taste really good and it's worth it. All right, so I have some blueberries in a bowl. I don't know how much this is, maybe like 1.5 cups, 2 cups. It's frozen. Frozen blueberries are preferred. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the dough, maybe in like teaspoon increments. Take the dough, roll it out with our hands, and press it into a little pancake. And we're gonna put it on the pan. We're gonna do that again. Make a little pancake. And we're gonna take the blueberries and put like 3 to 4 blueberries, depending on how big they are, right in the middle. And then, we're gonna take that and put the other pancake like a little sandwich. So we're gonna make that into a little ball. Press it together. Then it's a little ball with the blueberries inside. So we're gonna repeat that process with using the remaining dough that we have. And we'll see how many cookies that gets us. Okay, so I'm just rolling it out right now. It can get kind of sticky, so what I did is I just put my hands in some coconut oil just to create a little bit more greasy non-stick surface on my hands. It's much better, a lot cleaner, and doesn't stick, get all sticky. Because these cookies are just so high maintenance putting them together, but that's what makes them good. See what I mean by like how much of a pain cookies are sometimes? Yeah. F these cookies. No, but like.
What's the rest of the batter out? Make 6 of them.
Just 6.
I only got 6 out of these guys. Double the recipe.
It's just so high. They get like a ton of cookies because I told them to double it. But it's just, it is so high maintenance.
Change the name. That is what we call high maintenance cookies.
Very
high maintenance cookies.
high maintenance cookies. What are those girls called that are like high maintenance but it's worth it?
High maintenance? I don't know. Are they worth it?
Holy crap. All right, so our cookies are shaped finally. Took a little bit, but what I did was I rolled them into their little balls and then I topped it off with a little blueberry on top as a little garnish. And these are gonna go in the oven for probably like 10 to 14 minutes at 350. I made them a little bigger, so it'll probably be more on like the side of 14 minutes. So we'll see. All right, don't forget to set your timer. My timer just went off for the cookies, like 14 minutes, and we're gonna check them out. All right, these look perfect. The edges are a little bit toasty. The middle is still pretty soft. As these cool, it'll cook a little bit more. So it's okay if they look a little soft in the middle. It'll harden up as it cools. So check on those. These look the same, so we'll take both of them out. And they'll cool for like 5 to 10 minutes. And then we'll cut them open to see how they are.
What am I doing here? Just trying it.
All right, so the cookies are cooled, and we put one on a plate, and we're gonna go ahead and cut it open and try it.
Move
Big
that
review.
bus.
The inside looks very moist. Edges are crispy. Go ahead. Communion.
Cheers. Okay, never mind. It's hot.
Chewy.
Exactly as anticipated. Notes of blueberry, coconut, dark chocolate. Hot blueberries exploding in your mouth.
You know, it's really good. It's all made with brown sugar, so it gives it more of like a chewy texture, whereas a regular cookie is made with white sugar and brown sugar. Not as chewy as this. This is very chewy, plus the oatmeal gives it a lot of texture, and the coconut and blueberry just go really well together.
Little razzle dazzle.
So thank you for watching. If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and like all of our videos. And if you
leave a comment if you want.
Yeah. Okay.